Hello dear students, welcome back to Parivartana channel. Today's concept is all about SSLC first chapter which comes in chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. Let's start this one, that is chemical reactions and equations. So before going to start this chapter, what all the concept you are learning in this chapter we'll see. So under this concept, you're going to study some of the observation things. That is, let's learn this one. So first of all, you're going to understand what is chemical reactions and its examples, as well as next one is how to recognize the chemical reaction, and third one is balancing the chemical reaction, and last one is that is type of the chemical reaction. Type of the what? That is chemical reaction. So students, today you're going to learn all this concept. The first one is that is chemical reaction. Another one is how to recognize the chemical reaction. Third one is balancing the chemical reaction. And next one is type of the that is what? Chemical reaction. So let's start this one. If you're going to understand this, in our day-to-day life, we will see some of the many reactions, but we are unable to recognize which is physical reaction as well as what which one is chemical reaction. Okay, so let's take an example. We respire, correct? Okay, here what happens, we take some of the gases inside and we respire the things, but we don't know what type of equation it is or else what type of the chemical reaction it is. As well as what we take, that is we take the food inside, that food will digest in some of the forms. So these are the examples of the what, that is chemical reactions. Okay, but these all you can visible, but what happens in a digestion process, the chemicals will react among themselves, which is non-visible. That's why today you are going to learn that how can you recognize that is chemical reaction going under your environment as well as inside your body. Okay, before going to start this concept, you need to understand that what is chemical reaction. See guys, what happens, chemical reaction in the sense, what happens, the change which you can understand or else observable in a substances, that is known as what, that is chemical reaction. How can you recognize this one? For example, I'll say that we'll take one element, that is you can take any element, hydrogen. Sometimes hydrogen will convert into what, that is H2 in the form of what, gas. So this equation undergoes some of the changes. That some changes is known as what, that is chemical reactions. Sir, once I check my note, sir.